Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video, we are going to be checking out the split dye hair trend. This is personally one of my favorite trends to follow at the moment. And first up, looks like she is going to be doing a rainbow combination. So she did like rainbow colors on one side and then kept the other side black. Now, unfortunately, we did not get to see the results for that one, but I'm pretty sure it came out pretty cool. I like the fact that she did like bold color on one side and then left the other side kind of basic. And then for this next one, it looks like she is going with purple and black. Yeah, purple and black. And then she's also doing her eyebrows. I think that came out pretty good. Definitely like emo style vibes with that one. And then the next girl is bleaching her hair first. So she kind of started off with like a fun like peachy color. And she bleached her hair, and then now she's doing blue and purple. So she's going to do purple on one side and then blue on the other. And then of course she's doing her eyebrows. I didn't realize until making this video just how popular the colored eyebrows are. Oh, that came out so pretty. And look at her makeup. It is just gorgeous, especially the eyes. So pretty. So yeah, as you guys know, I made a video a while back on eyebrows, and I knew that colored brows were in, but after watching this video, I didn't realize how in that they actually are. So it is pretty crazy to me to see just how fast this trend is taking off. And Arctic Fox is one of the best at-home hair coloring dyes that you can use, FYI, if you are trying to attempt this yourself. So she did like red on one side, orange on the other. Loving the fact that she added in some hair extensions. Like, she really knows how to do some hair. And she has bangs, so she did a wonderful job with this. Absolutely gorgeous. Then right here, we see this gorgeous mint green and black combination. So pretty. Love how she did like just the front portion of the hair with that one. And she didn't do a split dye down the middle. Ooh, that blonde and brunette is gorgeous. Then we see this turquoise version with pink. Love her makeup too. She definitely has a cute little style going on. So she started off with like lilac colored hair. And she's also doing her eyebrows. So what she ends up doing, I don't want to spoil it, but you guys are going to see it anyway. But she actually does a reverse job. So she does the opposite. So she dyes one side of her hair purple, the other side black, and then vice versa for the brows. So how fun is that? Such a cool take on the trend. Love the final results, so pretty. And then we have a natural girl trying out the trend. So she got pink on one side and blue on the other. Very bold. Now, if I was to personally try this trend out, I think I would probably do, I don't know, maybe pink on one side, black on the other. I don't know. So looks like she's doing pink on one side. I think my favorite combination is this one. Pink on one side, purple on the other. So if I was to try this trend, that's what I would do. Pink on one side, purple on the other. So she went to the salon as well. So it looks like she's doing blonde and brunette. Oh, we didn't get to see the final results. Alright you guys, so that's going to be pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these split dye hair trends with me. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.